These 6 signs may show you are wasting your life, but don't worry, I will help you to fix it. Do you sometimes feel like your life has no purpose? It may be one of these 6 points that I'm about to mention to you or I'm about to teach you. So just follow me from the beginning of the video to the end of this video, and then it will really help you a lot. Let's go straight forward to the point. The first sign that may show you are wasting your life and how to fix it is that you live only for today. You don't have any plan for your future. You don't have any goal for your future. You don't have any vision for your future. You don't have any dream for your future. What you just know is just today. If you are someone who is living a such life, it will really affect you at your old age. And then by that time, for you to address things, it will be too late for you. So how you are going to fix this is that you have to make sure that you plan about your life. You have to make sure that you have some goals towards your future. You have to make sure that you have a vision towards your future. You have to make sure that you have a dream towards your future. And the most important thing for you to make sure that you have accomplished all those dreams and then all those visions, so that it will help you today and it will also help you at your old age. By that time, for you to address things, you will not be stretching yourself too much. It will help you at your old age. So if you are someone who is living a such life, my dear, this is what you are going to do, and then it will really help you a lot. Yes. The second sign that may show you are wasting your life and how to fix it is that you never with what you have started. Maybe you've started doing something that you know at the end of that thing, you are going to get a massive result or a great result. On process of doing that thing, you've lived and you've jumped to different thing. On process of doing that thing, you've left and you've jumped to another thing. If you are someone who is living a such life, you are wasting your life. And then you could see that you will worry about yourself and you keep on complaining every blessed day. How you are going to fix this is that to make sure that you focus on one particular thing that you know very well that at the end of doing that thing, you are going to get a massive result. So you have to select that one particular thing and focus about it and work hard towards it. Make sure that you start and finish so that you get a massive result. Don't be here and be here. If you are living a such life, you will confuse yourself every blessed day, and you'll be worried and you keep on complaining every blessed day. My dear, if you are someone who is living a such life, this is what you are going to do, or this is how you are going to do, and it will really help you today and you'll be proud of yourself tomorrow. Yes. The third point shows that you are wasting your life and how to fix it is that you don't believe yourself. You don't believe in yourself. You keep on doubting yourself. You keep on telling yourself, I can't succeed. I can't do this. If you have that thinking within you, if you have that mentality within you, your chances of becoming successful is too low because you are doubting yourself. You don't believe yourself. If you are doubting yourself, you are closing your success, you are closing your vision, you are closing your future. So you have to make sure that you have a positive thinking within yourself. Encourage yourself. Tell yourself that I can succeed. I can be successful. I can do this. If you have that mentality within yourself, your chances of becoming successful is too high. So if you are someone who is living a such life, you are doubting yourself, you don't believe yourself, this is what you are going to do. Do it this way, and then it will really help you a lot so that you will be happy at the end. It will help you today and it will also help you in the future, and you'll be proud of yourself and stop doubting about yourself. Yes. And then the fourth point, so that you are wasting your life and how to fix it, is that you are quick to sell what you've bought before. Maybe some small problem that will come to you, or some small challenge that will come to you. Instead of you to take your time and solve that problem, you are rushing to sell the things that you've bought before. You will rush and sell your television, your fridge, and then the rest. Maybe television that you bought 2,000 Ghana cedis. Some small challenge that comes to your way, you rush and sell that television, 500 Ghana cedis. And if you get money, you go and buy. One step forward, two steps backwards. If you are living a such life, your chances of becoming successful is too low. So always make sure that when you have a problem or you are facing a challenge, humble yourself, take your time, and know how you are going to fix that issue. And then it will really help you today, and it will also help you in the future. Yes, and stop rushing about anything that you are doing. Yes. And the fifth point that may shows you are wasting your life and how to fix it is that you can't do without a woman. If you are sitting down without a woman, you are not feeling comfortable. If you are sleeping without a woman, you don't feel comfortable. What is just on your mind is to just be with a woman. Just see a woman pant, like some small money that will enter into your hand. Instead of you to take your time and make good uses of that money that will help you today, also help you at your old age, you will rush and spend that money on ladies or on women just to see their pants. If you are living a such life, my dear, you have to rethink about yourself, reprogram about yourself, so that at your old age you will not be regretting. At your old age, you will not be struggling too much in some certain things. So always make sure that any money that you get, make good uses of that money, and you'll be proud of yourself tomorrow. The sixth point that may show you are wasting your life and how to fix it is that you want quick success. You want like overnight you achieve everything. No. If you want to be a successful person, you have to be patient, humble yourself, work hard, and pray. Take your time, and then you will achieve a great and then a massive results at the end. Don't rush, don't be quick, be patient. At the end, you will be proud of yourself and you will be proud of your future. Yes, if you found yourself all the points that I have mentioned to you, if you found yourself among any of these, I wanted to tell you that you are not a useless person. What you just need is just a direction. So, my dear, start now, start today, and then you'll be proud of yourself tomorrow. Your life matters. My name is Angie. If you are interested about videos like this, you are in the right me. Turn your notification bell so that anytime if I posted a video like this one, you can be the first person to see it. Help me to like this video and share it to our loved ones so that they can also benefit. See you in my next video.